In this video, I'll show you how to use our Homework Auto-Scoring feature to review your students' homework. This feature is enabled by default for all enterprises. To access the Homework Auto-Scoring feature Enterprises settings, you must have the role of manager in the account. First, go to the Enterprise Management panel and locate the Enterprise Settings button. From here, there are two settings that must be enabled in order to make the Homework Auto-Scoring feature enabled for your enterprise. First, the Enable Auto-Release Answer Key setting, and second, the Enable Homework Auto-Scoring setting. If the enterprise wants to permit teachers to manage their Homework Auto-Scoring feature for the teacher's own students, the two following settings must be enabled. First, teachers can manage auto-release answer key. And second, teachers can manage homework auto-scoring. If the enterprise does not want to allow teachers to individually manage the homework auto-scoring feature, do not touch these settings. Now, as a teacher of the enterprise, if you go to the settings of your profile, you are able to manage the auto-release answer key and homework auto-scoring settings for yourself. To activate the homework auto-scoring feature, both settings must be enabled. Upon submission of the homework by a student, you can access the auto-scored homework. There are numerous ways to access homework. First, you can go to the panel of your student where the score column shows the result of submitted homework. Second, you can go to the teacher panel and access the score of submitted homework via the result column in the To Do tab, or via the score column in the Homework tab. You can now review submitted homework based on the Homework Auto-Scoring feature. The total score of homework is displayed on the top right. The total point of each section of homework is displayed next to that section. Use the note taker from the marking tools to add notes for your student. To the right of each question, you will see the total number of possible points for that question. Auto-scoring can be applied only to certain question types for which there can be only a single answer. For example, multiple choice and gap fill questions can be auto-scored. Other questions have more than a single possible answer and must be scored by the teacher manually. Please note that, as a teacher, you control the number of points awarded to each answer, even auto-scored questions. After reviewing homework, save and exit that homework by clicking on the Close the Classroom button. Now, after logging in, your student can view the homework reviewed by you in the Completed Work tab.